is a very short video, about 5 minutes long, of just some extra outtakes that I didn't use. First one is, who's this guy in the pink on the left? Apparently he was some sort of sports presenter or something for TV or radio. No idea who he was.
Nandy's going to record it.
Gory.
Gory, yeah. What are you recording for?
Because he's like that. Are they going through the garage?
They're going through the garage forecourt.
Yeah, it's pretty smashed up. That's a bit. Do you know, as a police officer, I'd have taken that off you and thrown it on the ground. I hated people like you, Andy, just as you know. Hated you.
Oh,
yeah. Cutting them out. That'd be a precaution anyway, that'd be fine. Oh. Surface preparation unit. Surface preparation unit. What the actual fuck? Okay, bit of a squidgy going down into the dip there. Somebody fell in the ditch.
And this is a place we came across while we were out and about. I didn't get much video as the landowner turned up within about 2 minutes of me stepping on there. It isn't really bad condition, and I wasn't that close, and I can imagine that some idiots are more than happy to climb around inside it. I definitely would not. So I can imagine the landowner getting very pissed off with people doing exactly what I was doing. But it was lovely in its decay. So with that all done, we leave Lincolnshire, heading to Cambridge and the camping and caravan site there. So this is time lapse that you've seen before, but I have sped it up several times. The site that we were heading for, camping and caravan site, Cambridge, and it's a really good site, love it. And this is us leaving that site. The beauty of this site is, for us, it's literally a 5 minutes drive from the M11, and we're on our way home. So that's it for the Wobblebox tour 2020. Eventful and not eventful. A lot of places closed, a lot of places we didn't go in, a lot of places we want to revisit. So I'm going to leave you here. Thanks for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe, it does help. I don't earn any money from it, but it helps my viewing figures, as small as they are. Anyway, thanks very much for your time. Take care. Ta-da. Cottage Museum. Now these seem to be responsible for all of the plaques around the village. They all seem to link back to this place. Again, sadly, didn't get to go in, which seems to be the theme along all of these videos. And COVID's got a lot to answer for, to be honest. So this is the spa, or what used to be the spa, and Victoria Hotel. And it's in a bit of a rough old condition. Hopefully, it looks like it might be restored. I do hope so. There seems to be an architect's sign there. I might look them up and see what they've got to say. So, Kinema in the Woods, or cinema, depending on how you want to pronounce it, I suppose. 2-screen, still showing films today, and it's the only back screen projection cinema in the UK remaining.